look and feel your best. If that's something that you may be interested in, then go ahead and click on that subscribe button along with that notification bell so that you can be aware of all my upcoming videos. This video today would be about how to create the perfect smoky eye and just an overall daytime and nighttime look that you can wear on any occasion, whether it's a girl's night out or for a sexy date night. If you're interested in this look, then keep on watching. First things first, I'm going to prime my face using the Too Faced Hangover. Actually, I need a little bit more. Foundation I'm going to use today is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation, and I am in the color 430W, 430 Warm. You can also use a foundation brush too. I have the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH03 brush. Let me actually try to use that today, because I want to get this. And then after I do that, I'm going to go ahead and do brows. I'm going to do a full face today. So I'm going to go ahead and do brows. But this one is the Brow Stylist Definer by Loreal. I'm using the color Brunette because, like I said, I don't want very dark eyebrows today. And then I'm just going to clean it up with a concealer. So you know what? To clean up these brows, I am going to use my Lancôme Teint Idole Ultra Wear All Over Concealer. I know I butchered that. I will... Let me see, can you see? This is in the color BIS. Actually, it just says BISW. And then I kind of do it underneath the eye. And I don't really clean my eyebrows a lot with concealer because I just like the more natural, like however they fall, being filled in look, because that seems to be the style now. But if you want to just like to clean it up, just to look more, a little more crisp, I guess, and clean, just take a little concealer and just put it on the end. Okay, before I put on eyeshadow, I'm going to set it with a primer with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in just the original formula. So I'm going to put on my lids here. Now there's different ways people actually set their eyeshadow primers. The eyeshadow primer is really just supposed to make it last a little, your eyeshadow colors last a little longer. Well, I just take my finger and just warm it up and just pat it in there. Now I'm going to put a base color. I'm using the color Faith. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that as my base color. Tap it off a little bit. And I'm just going to put it all on the lid and up. Just cover my whole. Now this is just how I put my eyeshadow on. Everybody have a different way, but at the end of the day, it's gonna get the same result. Now I'm just gonna put that up over here. So I'm just gonna take one of these and then just kind of blend it out. And I'm just using a windshield wiper motion, just blend it out a little bit, soften it up. But I'm going to, actually I probably need to use a little bit more. I am going to use Blackjack. So I'm just gonna, black is just so bold, you guys. I'm just gonna tap it in there, tap out the excess, and then I'm gonna put this on my lid. So ooh, lordy, lordy. After we do that, we're going to blend it in. So you're just gonna take your blending brush and blend the crease between the brown and the black. Just gonna blend it in. Soften that up. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Just get a little black, swirl, tap, and just kind of pack it on. Okay, so now that we have applied the eyeshadow, we are going to apply some concealer. I'm just going to put a little bit here, right there. Ooh, I almost broke my brush. Goodness. And I'm just using a damp beauty blender. This would be a time for people to like want to contour and highlight and all that stuff, but I don't really like our like browns, but I don't like all that harsh contouring and stuff. Okay, then I'm gonna hurry up and set my concealer, under eye concealer, using the Laura Mercier. And this is the translucent honey color. And I just dab a little bit in here. And then kind of rub off the excess. I just kind of swerve it off. And then just go under my eye. Bridging my nose while I put that little bit of color. Since we kind of lost some of the color from the of the eyeshadow from putting the concealer on, we're just going to put a little bit of that back on. So I'm just going to use like a really small tapered brush. This is the Jaclyn Hill JH39. You don't have to use the type of brushes that I use, so I'm just going to use a very little brush right here. And I'm going to use the Lethal, and I'm just going to dab it in there and kind of put it on my waterline. combo. Ooh, ran out. And then I'm just gonna set my makeup really quick using the Maybelline Fit Me Medium Deep. Loose finish powder in a big fluffy brush. I'm just gonna set my makeup. And then I'm going to bronze my face with the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in the color Mahogany. So now I'm going to add a little bit of blush. Now since I already did a heavy dark eye on the blush, I'm going to use like a light rosy pink or anything on that color to kind of go with the brown and the black of the eyeshadow to kind of make it pop out. But I don't like to use a dark eyeshadow with a dark lip and a dark blush, because you're just gonna look crazy in my opinion. So I'm just gonna use a light color on the cheeks. Okay, so I am going to use the Benefit Pom Pom blush in the color Pomegranate Rose Blush. I'm using, oops, yeah. I love blush. Oh my gosh, I probably put too much on. I always soften it up with my finger, kind of blend it out. If you put too much. But I love too much. She went buck wild with that blush, y'all. I love blush. Oh my gosh. I just love it. I love it. I love it. Now I'm trying to blend it out so I don't look too crazy. Okay, the blush stays, okay? I know it's too much blush. It stays. I'm not trying to look like I just hopped out the 80s, but maybe 1989, a little bit. Okay, I love blush. Now, the final thing we're going to do is lashes and lips. I am going to use the Ardell Lash Effect lashes in the number 743. I already I've used them already before. So let me put on lashes real quick. Okay, as usual, this left one did not want to act right, but we're almost done with this video, so it is what it is. Last thing we're going to do is lips. I am using the Milani Understatement Lip Liner in the color 110 Nude Interest. I don't think I can see that. Then I am going to apply the Morphe Cream Whipped. Oh, it's just called Cream Whipped. I don't know if they even make these anymore. And there you go, people. Dark smoky eye effect eye look, and you can wear this at nighttime, on a date night, or night out with the girls, anything to your liking. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch out for any upcoming videos on my posts. Thank you. Bye.